Stewie, they just dropped the criminal investigation into Jerome Powell. Does this mean he's innocent?
Not quite, you buffoon. The Justice Department handed it to the Fed's Inspector General instead. They left the door wide open to restart the criminal case later.
Wait, why was the Fed chair being investigated for crimes in the first place? Did he rob a bank?
Trump accused him of mismanaging a multi-billion-dollar renovation of Fed headquarters. But here's the kicker. A federal prosecutor already said there was no evidence of crimes.
So they kept investigating anyway? That's like Cleveland continuing to look for his keys after finding them in his pocket.
Exactly. Most people saw this as politically motivated revenge because Powell wouldn't cut interest rates fast enough for Trump's liking.
But why does dropping the probe matter? Can't they just pick a new Fed chair?
Senator Thom Tillis was blocking Kevin Warsh's confirmation, calling the investigation frivolous. Now that it's paused, Warsh can get confirmed before Powell's term ends May 15th.
So you're telling me this whole thing was about getting Trump's guy in charge of interest rates?
Bingo! The Fed is supposed to be independent from politics. If markets think it's being controlled by politicians, inflation expectations rise and financial stability weakens.
What was this renovation scandal about anyway? Did Powell build himself a golden toilet?
Fed's headquarters dates back to the 1930s. It had water intrusion, asbestos, and needed blast-resistant windows. Costs ballooned because of unexpected water table issues and high security upgrades.
So the real story isn't about bathroom renovations, it's about who controls America's money supply.
Precisely! This investigation was political theater to pressure the Fed. Follow this page so you stop getting your news from a guy who thinks the economy runs on beer and chicken fights.